Well, it still sucks that the rear coupler had fallen off when I opened up the brand new jewel case. I don't think I can get it put back together either. I have a whole package of microtrains, couplers I never could get put back together years ago. That's too bad, man. It's been a real pain in the ass with this quarter, but it is going backwards. I still have to fix some of the grab irons and stuff on it when I put it back together. Man, it was a pain getting the shell off and the decoders. I actually damaged some of the black stripes where the hood part is, but I can't tell it. It just makes me mad that the coupler was already exploded when I got it. I'm hoping that it's, the screw hole is not stripped or something where it goes. I don't know. Might have to send it to Atlas just for a coupler. Kind of makes me angry. But it is going backwards. Finally. I ran it for hours and hours and hours. Frontwards and backwards. It is cool looking. I am not getting another one. It is not worth the headache. Because it is a pain to get the shell off and to install the coupler. Unless I can find a maybe already DCC version, but I doubt it.